What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Roblox Has Crashed plays performs a window clean boot error which is happening for many of the users right now and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about you have to press Windows and R key together, so you'll be getting the run command, or you can just go over here, search for the run command like this, and you have to click on this one. And right now what we need to do is we just need to search here for msconfig over here. So just search for msconfig. Now you have to press enter, and right now we need to expand this up and just go for services and go for hide all Microsoft services here. Click on this particular box, which is an important one. Directly go for disable all. Once it is disabled, just go for apply and go for OK, and they're gonna ask you for restart sometime, so you don't have to do restart. Once it is done, we just need to go into the next step. Next step is all about what we need. Just go over here, search here for the task manager like this, and click on the task manager and expand this up. Directly go over here for the startup apps. And right now, as you can see, not the startup app, just go over here. This is the startup apps, and as you can see, these are some of the apps which is running in the when you launch your Windows. Some of them are running right now, as you can see. So as you can see, most of them is disabled, but some of them are enabled. So what we need to do is we just need to go over here, select this one, hence it is enabled, just go for disable it. And similarly, whatever it is enabled, just go over here and disable it. Once whatever enable is disabled, you just need to close this up, and you have to just go over here, do a restart. Once the restart is done, you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the Microsoft Store. You can either search for the Microsoft Store. From here you have to download the Roblox, which is because it's just the official Roblox which is available in the Microsoft Store. So you might be having two Roblox right now. One is with which you downloaded from the Google Chrome. You can uninstall it and you can download the Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Just download this, and after it is successfully downloaded, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.